In this guide, you will learn how to refund items on Roblox and get your Robux back. If you have bought an item or game pass that you don't use or wear anymore, Roblox finally allows you to request a refund. And I will walk you through exactly how to do it. Before you begin, decide whether you are refunding a regular item like a hat, hair, or clothing, or a game pass. Make sure you remember the exact name of the item and how much Robux it cost, because this information is required later. To start, launch your Roblox. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Head over to the option Help and Safety. Now navigate to the option Violations and Appeals. For many users, the refund option is hidden inside this section. Now click on the option Support. Now you'll need to fill out this form. Here, enter your actual Roblox username, not your display name. For the name fields, you can enter anything since it's optional. Next, enter your email address and confirm it. If you don't have one, you can use another valid email. After that, you'll reach the issue details section. Select the device you are using, such as PC, mobile, tablet, or console. For the help category, choose purchases using Robux. A new option will appear asking for a subcategory. If you are refunding a wearable item like clothing or accessories, choose website item. If you are refunding a game pass, choose inexperienced item. In the description box, clearly explain your request. Write something like, I would like to refund an item I no longer use or wear. The item is called backpack and it costs 100 Robux. Please refund this item to my account. Finish this message by typing your username and a thank you. Then tap continue to submit the request. That's it. This is the correct way to request refund items on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.